What's going on, everybody? Welcome back another time. So in this video I'm just going to explain you that how exactly you can get $5,000, $10,000 or even $25,000 AWS Activate credit for free. I will show you each and everything step by step in this video, so make sure you subscribe and also like this video. So first I want to show you that how it looks like of my $25,000 AWS activated account. So let's show you. So as you can see here, this is my dashboard itself here, and I have a few instances running here. So if I show you this instance, this type of instance, you will see here this is pretty straightforward here, and also it's doing pretty well. So let me show you my account here. So as if I click in my name here, it will appear some menu here. So all the way I need to click the billing dashboard. So once I click the billing dashboard, it will load up my billing dashboard, the overall spending history, that how much I exactly spend for this type of account. So it will take some time, so wait with patience. So once it loaded up, as you can see here, this is my billing dashboard itself, and this account is just starting to spend some money. And as you can see here, it's just starting to spend $12 only this month. Basically this month is today is the 4th, so just like it's starting to spend few money itself. So if I show you the whole credits is here, you will understand that how this account is look like. So I click the credit here. So after clicking the credit, as you can see here, this is my account itself here, and also I got 25,000 and $598 is actually in the whole credit, because I got also a $1,000 credit in advance before this $25,000. So as you can see, this is the total amount I just used here, and also this is the total credit I got is 3. Actually 3 means that one is AWS Activate and another one is AWS Activate Founder. So as you can see itself here, so I got actually this $25,000 credit is actually I got 25 of this year. That means I can use it for 3 years, and also it's pretty amazing. So there's nothing I can show you much here, and this is very simple. So let me show you that how exactly you can get this step by step. See, this is the website I have found, that they are just providing amazing service, something like they are just providing some verified account, or also if you want to learn how to get AWS Activate credit into 5 simple steps, and then they have this course is actually for you, and this course is for very limited time. So make sure you check out this course, link found in the description, and also this course is pretty amazing. So if we click the course here, you will see this is the course itself, and this course has enough evidence of the proof, something like they provide you that each and every proof. So as you can see, they have another video here, and this video is providing a lot of information about the $10,000 AWS activated credit. So this is pretty amazing in my opinion. So if you click the course curriculum, then you will understand, and you will see this course has a different kind of part with also lot of super secret, and also with lot of different kind of videos is actually they are just providing you. And also you will get 3 preview part of this course. So if you click here, you can see this preview part. So simply click the preview part, and it will load up the preview, so you can see and you can watch the course preview for free. So is not it amazing? Definitely it's amazing and fantastic. So just like it, guys, so nothing I can show you more here. So if you want to got this course out, you can actually check out this link check out this website. I have a link in the description for you guys, and thank you for watching this video. I'll see you in the next one.